What new skills do you think L&D professionals must acquire to stay relevant?
For learning and development professionals, you really have to, again, be looking at the future, right, and providing the kinds of learning and development opportunities for the teams of people that you work with that's relevant for them. And this gets back to understanding what is the corporate strategy and maybe tying this in with corporate sustainability and thinking about employees as a resource that needs to be sustainably developed. So I think we have to start thinking about learning and development in that new way, and then giving it the resources that it needs to help funnel the employees along in that direction. But they can't do that if they don't know where the company's going or given the resources to help everybody.